back with 3 more mini brands, mini minis, fill the fridge. Still looking for quite a few things actually. I'm still looking for the ice, the eggs, any of the little makes, the cake. Actually, there's a lot of things I'm missing. Got a lot of duplicates. Hopefully we'll get something new in these 3 bowls. All right, let's take a look, see what we get. Vinyl record, kombucha, juice, broccoli, style mashed potatoes, vanilla pudding, strawberry ramune, lamb chops, tropical punch olipop, and I think this is the mini Hershey's syrup. Here's the regular one, here's the mini. And then another turmeric shot camera, which is a duplicate for me. Hershey's strawberry syrup, Panda Express chicken and broccoli, and another fruit tray. Last ball. You got the little bread magnet. Another turmeric shot. Fresh fish. Philadelphia original cream cheese spread. Hormel black label original thick cut bacon. The oats jar. And here's our last one. IHOP hamburger and french fries meal. And that's what we got.